Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Mazda BT50 Extra Cab, stock reference number 5735. This shape runs from the 10th month 2011 through to the 6th month 2020. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the front bar cover, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard has no damage. Bonnet has one small dent, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Have a factory fitted tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom, steel tray with all bolts and brackets, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door has 5 small dents, right guard has 3 small dents, right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack control panel, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder, tight, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.